PT500mini mechanical failure simulation test bench. It is specially designed for teaching and scientific research of mechanical fault diagnosis. It integrates core components including bearings, rotors, impeller blades, transmission shafts, gears, and magnetic powder brakes to realize simulation of various typical mechanical faults. It reproduces rotor unbalance conditions and enables dynamic balance calibration experiments. Interchangeable faulty bearings with defects on inner rings, outer rings, rolling elements, cages, and composite faults are available to collect characteristic vibration and noise signals. The gearbox is compatible with replaceable defective gears, featuring missing teeth, broken teeth, wear, and cracks. It supports vibration characteristic analysis for multiple faults, such as mechanical looseness, shaft bending, and shaft misalignment. Enables measurement and research of vibration characteristics under varying loads. The front panel is equipped with integrated rotational speed control and display. The speed range covers 0 to 3,500 RPM, with an adjustment precision of 1 revolution per minute via control knob. Operating voltage: single-phase alternating current 0 to 240 volts, 50/60 Hz, with adaptable power plugs for different countries. The emergency stop button triggers immediate equipment shutdown to guarantee operational safety. All components undergo high-precision machining with ultra-small tolerances, ensuring stable operation during running. It is applicable to university teaching experiments, factory practical training, fault diagnosis algorithm analysis, and engineering technical training. PT500mini. Developed for authentic mechanical fault diagnosis, teaching, and scientific research.